Hey, streaming enthusiasts! Ever dreamt of an all-in-one streaming tool that can handle your every need, from multi-device streaming to managing multiple streams? Well, guess what? The future of streaming is here! If you're a content creator, influencer, YouTuber, or anyone looking to dive deep into the world of streaming, then today's your lucky day! Let's unravel the wonders of the Streamster lifetime deal together. What is Streamster? Imagine having a powerful studio in your pocket, always ready to make your live streams top-notch. Streamster is like that cool new friend you introduce to everyone. From gaming sessions to interactive live sessions, this platform is set to revolutionize your streaming experience. Cloud-based multi-streaming, real-time content monitoring, and transcoding are just a few features that make Streamster stand out. And let's not forget about the convenient desktop, mobile, and web apps. Exclusive alert! Streamster lifetime deal on offer. You'd normally spend up to $600 on Streamster's amazing features, but we've got a spicy deal for you. Can you believe you can get lifetime access for just $39? That's a whopping 78% off! Here's a sneak peek into the plans on offer. License Tier 1. For a one-time purchase of just $39, down from $180, get 4 streaming channels, 6,000 kilobits per second max bitrate. License Tier 2. Boost your streams for just $78, down from $300, offering 6 streaming channels, 10,000 kilobits per second max bitrate. License Tier 3. For the streaming pros, get it for $117, valued at $600, and enjoy 8 streaming channels, 14,000 kilobits per second max bitrate, transcoding from 2K 30 FPS to 1080 pixels 30 FPS. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Test the waters for 2 whole months, risk-free. 6 streamtastic features of Streamster. Let's talk about why Streamster should be your streaming buddy. Cloud-based multi-streaming. Ditch the technical hassles. Just focus on your content. Remote control. Manage live content from anywhere. Streamster's got your back. Transcoding. Perfectly adjust your streams for each platform. Compatibility. Works well with popular streaming apps. Stream anywhere, anytime! Multi-device streaming. From desktop to mobile, switch as you please. Easy setup, get started in minutes, not hours. Yes, it's that simple. Who needs Streamster in their life? Ever wondered if Streamster is for you? If you fit in any of these categories, it's a match. Content creators, all you creative souls. Gaming legends. Influential influencers. YouTubers and MP vloggers, podcasters, webinar hosts, event organizers. So are you in? Dive in and upgrade your streaming game. 10% extra treat for you. Rumor has it there's an exclusive link in the description to snag an extra 10% off your Streamster lifetime deal. Why pay more when you can save more? Spice alert, extra 10% off. Hold up, did someone say discount? On top of Streamster's already tempting $39 deal, there's a secret recipe to save an additional 10%. Math enthusiasts, that's like double dipping your chips! Here's how to score this deal. Claim your extra 10% off Streamster lifetime deal. Pop over to AppSumo's Streamster lifetime deal page. Keep an eye out for a sneaky pop-up offer. Punch in your trusty email address. Stick to that email, consistency is key. Peek into your inbox for that shiny 10% off promo code. What's the holdup? Dive right in and make those savings splash! Real talk, Streamster reviews? Wondering what real users are saying about Streamster? Here's a taste. And many more. Dive into the reviews and see the magic firsthand. Still contemplating? Don't be that person who missed out on the streaming revolution. Unleash the power of Streamster today and redefine your streaming experience. Check out the description, explore the plans, and jump on this once-in-a-lifetime deal. If you found this overview a blast, give us a thumbs up, share the love, and hit subscribe for more tech delights.